Hi guys, what's up, wagwan? So guys, I got this box, this tissue box from the dollar store, and I pay $4 for it. Okay guys, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna paint this in silver and then I'm gonna bling it out. It's a good gift idea for Mother's Day or any time of the year. All right guys, or you can keep it in your home for yourself. So that's that. And over here I'm going to use some glitter and some Mod Podge and some acrylic paint. I'm going to mix all three of them together. And I'm going to put the same amount of Mod Podge and just a little bit of glitter. And you can get this glitter at the dollar store or Dollar Tree. Not too much. It's better when you mix the Mod Podge with this paint because it won't strip easily. And I'm going to give this a little mix. You're going to paint it all over. You also want to put some glitter on this piece of drawer that's going to come out. I'm going to start off with this. Then I have this beautiful piece from AliExpress. I'm gonna add it on top. I have some of these gems, rhinestones, and I might add some, and I might add a few of these. All right, so I'm just gonna work randomly, and you need your glue gun and your glue sticks, and you need a scissors. So guys, just watch me work. And that's it, guys. I'm gonna clean it up and then I'm gonna put it on display and then I'm gonna show you. So blingy, and the sides are the same and the back is the same, guys, same thing. And you can see a little bit of the glitter there. And that's it, guys. That's my tissue box. Yes, and you know, some you have to put some napkin in it. Yeah. So cute. And over here, guys, I have my beautiful decor. So these are my DIY pieces and you can change them up and you can add whatever. A light under the bottom, and this light will change color on you. There you have it. And up top, you just want to put a candle that matches there, so it matches that one. All right. And over here, this is my favorite. This is my wedding idea that I made before for a party, anniversary, any fancy occasion. And with this one, guys, you can add some water and let them float a little bit. Dollar store Kleenex box or tissue box holder, bling out. All right, guys, it's really pretty. The top part is really pretty. Let me show you the top, guys. It's really beautiful. Look at that. Wow. And guys, that's the side here to pull out.